so I'm going to be explaining what ingredients we have here. And so first of all, we have potatoes, and then minced meat, then onions, 2 eggs, sour cream, salt, black pepper, and oil. Then start the grater, 2 knives, the peeler, the board, the 2 spatulas, and the pan. And that's all. Okay, so the first step is peeling the potatoes with the peeler. So I'm going to start now. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. So since there's lots of potatoes, I'm gonna just cook to when I finish them. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna wash the potatoes after peeling them. Okay, so now I'm gonna go peel the onions and well, put them together. Okay, so I'm gonna put one onion into the meat, and I'm gonna grate the other one with the potatoes. Okay, now I'm gonna go put it up. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut up the onion and then prepare it into the meat. Okay. Okay, so since now I'm finished, I'll just put it into the meat. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in the salt and the pepper. So you get a handful of salt. And just sprinkle the pepper around. Okay, so I'm done. Okay, now I'm gonna get a spoon. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it. Okay, so now I'm gonna just skip towards the part where I'm done. Okay, so since the meat is done, now I'm gonna grate the potatoes and that 1 onion with the grater. Okay, Okay, so the potatoes are mashed, and I'm gonna now put the salt, the pepper, and the 2 eggs into it. Okay, starting with the eggs. Okay, so the eggs are here. I'm just gonna mix it with the fork. Okay, now I'm gonna put in the grated potatoes. Now a bit of salt. Okay. And a bit of pepper. And I'm just gonna mix them up. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix everything up. Just now, okay, so I finished mixing them. Now I'm gonna, if the oven is on, I'll just turn on the heat on. Okay, I'm gonna put it on 6, and I'm gonna put in oil. Take this one. Okay, so fill the oil in. And well, I'm just gonna take away all the dirty stuff then. Okay, so the oil is heated, so I'm gonna change it from 6 to 4. And while it was heating, I cleaned up the kitchen. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting in the mashed potatoes first.
The mashed.
Sorry, grated potatoes. And then you put in so I'm gonna put in the meat like this, and then I'm gonna put more grated potatoes on top. So it's fully covered. Okay. So since there's enough space for a second one, I'm gonna make a second one. Okay, the second layer on top. And now we just wait until the bottom is done. Okay, when the bottom is gonna be cooked, I'll come back and switch, just spin it. Then I'm gonna come back when it's finished, and I'm gonna put it in the plate, and then just finish it off with sour cream. Came out. Okay, so the meat, the bottom is done. Oh. Okay, so the bottom is done. But this is how the bottom's supposed to look. The other one's still not done, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be checking. And I'm gonna flip it because it's done enough. No, it's a bit undercooked, so I'm just gonna bewave it. Okay, it's done. Maybe this time. Okay, I'm just gonna flip it. This could be. Okay, so it looks ready. I'm gonna put it in the plate. I'm gonna flip it so it can show you that it's ready. And now I'm just gonna put some sour cream to the side, and I'm just gonna finish. Yeah, that's gonna be enough. And well, that's done. And well, that's done.